Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will create range progress bar. This is very useful UI element. In last video, we have created photo app and we also use different filters and apply to the photo. So if you see here you can click on different filters. So when you click on brightness, that's a fixed value, but we will add progress bar here. So let's start. And so with brightness filter we will add progress bar. For that we need to add input tag and we will use type range. Then we also need to provide what would be the minimum value, maximum value. So we are using minimum value 0, maximum value 200. You can also step is number you want to increment the range. So for example, if you say 1, it will go from 0 to 1 to 2. We are using 5, so it will go 0 to 5 because it's 200. So it would be better to use 5. And that's it. Now we will see how it looks. So right now you see we now have that control ID and interact with the brightness filter. So first we will add class a width because it's a little longer, so we will use width, and we will also use some margin. So now it's perfect. So our filter is ready, and only thing we need to add here is vanilla JavaScript. We use vanilla JavaScript and get the current value of this filter, this progress bar, and then apply to the picture. So for that, first of all, we need to get the control div, and for that we will just say document dot get element by id, and then we use the id from the progress bar button. So here we have the id. Now when user interacts with this progress bar, so we say on input, and now we supply the function which will interact. User interacts, this function will react. So here first of all we need to get the value, so we say const value, maybe we progress value is equal to the current button dot value. Okay, so now we have the, you can use directly, but I would rather prefer to assign the variable. Now whatever the value is, also provide the brightness range, and for that we say 0, then 50, 75 and 200. So these are the range which we are defining, because in brightness there are specific value we can use. Okay, so this is the range, and what we do here is we will check first if brightness range dot includes the current value, then we apply that brightness to the photo. So we say class name is equal to brightness, brightness, and the value, current value, and that is progress value. and that's it. Okay, so this is the function we need to call. Okay, so the function is ready. Now let's test. Okay, so blur, contrast, it applies the filter. Now if you come on brightness, right now it's a fixed value, but now let's try to change it. Okay, so it's going high and then it's going down. Sun, SVG, or and icons there. Um, but yeah, this is a working solution. We will add different features and designs later on. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks. I will see you in next video.